Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you a new car stereo from Binize, which is 9-inch double lean car stereo. The most highlight of this car stereo is it is equipped with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto functions. Next, we're gonna introduce you how to do the screen calibration when you met the touchscreen problem. Slide the bottom button to the left, then click Factory Setting, input the password. Slide down to the bottom, then click Touch Setting. Click Confirm. Then it will show success. Thanks for watching, and we are Binize.